Plato, an ancient Greek philosopher, has profoundly influenced Western thought. His philosophy encompasses a wide range of topics, including metaphysics, epistemology, ethics, and political theory. Central to his philosophy is the theory of forms, which posits that the material world is a shadow of a higher, unchanging reality. According to this theory, the forms are perfect and immutable archetypes of the various properties and objects we encounter in the physical world. For instance, all circular objects in the material realm are imperfect copies of the perfect form of a circle that exists in the realm of forms. This distinction between the world of appearances and the world of forms is a recurring theme in Plato's dialogues. In the Republic, Plato delves into the nature of justice and the ideal state. He presents a tripartite model of the soul, dividing it into three parts: reason, spirit, and appetite. Each part corresponds to a class within the state: rulers, reason; guardians, spirit; and producers, appetite. Justice, in this context, is achieved when each part performs its appropriate function without interfering with the others. This harmony within the soul mirrors the harmony within the state, leading to a just individual and a just society. Plato's Allegory of the Cave, also found in the Republic, illustrates his epistemological views. In this allegory, prisoners are chained inside a cave, only able to see shadows cast on a wall by objects behind them, illuminated by a fire. These shadows represent the prisoner's perception of reality. One prisoner escapes and discovers the outside world, realizing that the shadows are mere illusions and that true reality exists beyond the cave. This journey symbolizes the philosopher's ascent from ignorance to knowledge, moving from belief based on sensory perception to understanding based on reason and the apprehension of the forms. Ethics for Plato is closely tied to his metaphysical and epistemological views. He argues that knowledge of the good is essential for virtuous action. The form of the good is the ultimate principle, illuminating all other forms and providing the foundation for knowledge and existence. In the Republic, Plato compares the form of the good to the sun, which makes sight possible in the visible realm. Similarly, the good makes knowledge possible in the intelligible realm. Understanding the good enables individuals to align their actions with the highest principles, leading to a virtuous and fulfilling life. Plato's political philosophy advocates for a ruling class of philosopher-kings, individuals who have achieved knowledge of the good and are thus best equipped to govern. He critiques democracy, expressing concern that it can lead to rule by the uninformed masses rather than by the wise. Instead, he proposes a meritocratic system where rulers are selected based on their intellectual abilities and moral virtues. This ideal state is structured to reflect the tripartite,